Hey, what's going on guys? This is rezwan.rono. Subscribe me for future tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube channel. So let's get straight into the tutorial. Go to Google and write down Canva. Press enter. Click the first link. Canva is entirely free and it is a super cool design site. That's where we gonna design our custom thumbnail. Sign up for your account and click on Use Custom Dimensions. Write down 1920 by 1080 and click on Design. It will bring you right here. Go to Uploads and upload a background image you want to use. Drag it in and you could scale it up to fit it with the preview skin. Select the image and click on Filter. You can choose any filter. Now go ahead and click on Advanced Options. Slide the brightness to right to increase the brightness. Slide the blur to your left to sharpen the image. Once you got that, click on Elements and select Shapes. Choose a shape you prefer and drag it in and transform it. You want to change the border color of the shapes. Make sure you select the shapes and click on top left corner and change the color. Next thing we're gonna do is add a text. Click on Text. Drag and drop the headline. Click on Headline and write down the headline of your YouTube video. Make a custom thumbnail. Once you got that, go to top left corner and change the font style. Change the font size. Change the font color. You can edit the spacing between the letter. Make your font as bigger as possible so people can easily notice it. Go to Uploads again and drag and drop your photo. Scale it up. Add a YouTube logo. Once you got that, select the shapes and decrease the transparency little bit. You want to download this image, go to Download, select PNG and click on Download and it will start the downloading process. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you like my videos, make sure to comment down below and make sure to subscribe me.